is how important it is for you just to set your mindset from the beginning before you even start moving, and just really set realistic expectations for what you're trying to do. I think one of the things that derails people once they get started is their expectations are just wrong, too high, and they don't really have an understanding as to what to expect. And sometimes that it's not really, it's hard to know what those things are. But just using running as an example, it's such a gradual thing that it's so hard to see that you're getting better. You might go out and work your butt off for an hour, and you're not going to see a couple of pounds just melt off right away. You're not going to necessarily feel the fitness coming to you because it happens so gradually. So what I usually say to people is, one, really, like, your goals should be set around action, and we talk about this a lot. It's like, so the success at the end of the week will be that you got every workout in. And what that is a focus on the process and not the result. If you're expecting to see these results and you don't see them, you're going to get discouraged, and you're not going